4 hours later.
Welcome to the Blizzard of 2010.
Blizzard of 2010.
Welcome to the Blizzard of 2010.
Check it out. This is the same scene if you look earlier. This is the same scene. That car was like not really buried. What's up, y'all? This, ladies and gentlemen, is a glimpse of Blizzard 2010 from right outside my Harlem home. This is Timothy Odin Rodgers. Nothing special. Just wanna just messing around with the camera. But this one caught us by surprise though. Cars buried literally beneath snow. Look at that. Cars buried beneath snow. I'm gonna check if we can get a glimpse of this guy right here. Look at this. Bingo. This is on December 26th. December 26th, 2010. Day after Christmas. Blizzard hits New York City, New York, tri-state area, Jersey, Connecticut, everywhere. Big blizzard. A lot of people didn't take this seriously because we've always been getting. There's little kiddies playing. Look at that car buried right there. It's crazy. See that? This is a glimpse into 2010 Blizzard in Harlem. It's crazy. It's real crazy. I would go outside and film it, but way too cold. Way too cold. Too cold. Too cold, my friend. Yeah. That's it. I know this is crazy. This is sick that I'm actually taping this, and who really cares, because it's entertainment to me. You know, very rarely do you get those. Remember these glimpses. One day it was straight, clear, cool. Matter of fact, on my way to work, it was nice. It was like maybe a spring night, and then all of a sudden, like at night, I mean, it got cold. But this right here is the day after, and this mega Sega. You know my nigga. I gotta get out now, baby. Hey, look at this bitch. Hey, get out that snow! He ain't thinking about me, he just going home. Anyway, as you can see, people walking past the street. Walking down the street, they can't walk on the sidewalk. Wish I could get better footage, man. Like cars turned over and stuff that I seen, but for now, this concludes my little weather report from outside of my window. Here comes the loud fire trucks.
Welcome to the Blizzard of 2010. Welcome to the Blizzard of 2010. The Blizzard of 2010.
Okay, this is like 4 hours later. Here in Harlem. The Blizzard of 2010. Buried cars, literally. Check it out. This is the same scene if you looked earlier. This is the same scene. This is the corner where the little kids were. That car was like not really buried. Now it's practically buried. And mind you, no snow trucks have come through to shovel the road. This has just been cars that have been coming through, you know, plowing some of the snow over to the side of the road. But this is a real blizzard right here, and it's kind of hot, to be honest with you. I kind of like it. Kind of like the whole blizzard. If you hear the cab, there he is right there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that cab right there. There he is. He can't move. He's stuck. Which isn't funny. I wish I could go help him, but oh, there's a snowplow. For once, there it goes. Right there. This is the first snowplow tonight. If you can see how it cleans the streets differently. I'm gonna show you something. Something amazing. You see the difference just now? See the difference? See the rubbles on the snow? That means that they just did this. Trust me, I've kept an eye on it all night. I know, I'm big for snow. I'm a sucker for snowstorms. There he is. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's sliding though. My advice to you guys, if you got another truck right there that's messing up. My advice to you guys, if you can take an alternative route, a train or something, it's better. Okay, there's a second snow truck. They're finally coming out now.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. It's the blizzard of 2010. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so cold outside. It's so cold. So you better stay your asses inside. It's the blizzard. Oh yeah. Of 2010. Yeah.